to Study with Malsha YouTube channel.
So my dear kids, if you want to make your presentation more attractive to the audience, try adding some animations. So PowerPoint allows you to add animations into all the objects and text in your slide. So today I will teach you some interesting options in Animations tab. So here in my example, I have some text boxes as well as a picture. So to get started, select on the object you want to add the animation, then click on the Animations tab. Now click on the small drop down arrow, then you will see all the animation styles provided by PowerPoint. So here all the effects are categorized into 4 main sections. First one is the entrance. So here you can use these effects for the beginning of your presentation. Next one is emphasis. These options happens while the object is on the slide, right? So the exit command, you can use them at the end of the slide, right? So the last one is the motion part. If you want to move the objects along a path, you can use this option. For the first text box, I will use this effect. If you want to change the direction which the animation appears, you can use effect option. If you want to add 2 or more animations to the same object, you can use add animation. Here see, they have added 2 animations for the same object. You can check this with the numbers they have added near the text box. So after adding each animation, you can check it with the preview button. Now I will add an animation to my picture. So now you can see when I click on the preview option, the objects play accordingly to an order. So if you want to change the order, you can use the animation pane. Now you can see these are the animations that I have added. So by dragging them, you can change the order of the animation. So if you want to start the animation automatically, you can change it by using this drop down arrow in front of the animation style. Now let's change the fading options to change the speed of our animation. Click the drop down arrow. Now go to the effects option. Now I will fade the letters one by one. So select by letters from the animate text command. Now go to the timing tab to change the speed. So I will add delay into 0.5 seconds. Now I am going to check the final slideshow. So you can use the mouse to move the animations for the first time. Then it will automatically continue.
So my dear friends, I hope this part is very clear for you. So See you with another new video soon. Thank you very much.